10 things to know before driving on Tail of the Dragon. Tail of the Dragon is a nickname for a U.S. highway in the southeast U.S. with the highway designation of US 129. US 129 is a north-south route beginning in Chiefland, Florida, snaking its way up through Georgia, North Carolina, and eventually ending in Knoxville, Tennessee. The portion located on the North Carolina-Tennessee border along Deals Gap is known as Tail of the Dragon. Tail of the Dragon is a major destination for motorcycle and car enthusiasts from all around the nation. Tail of the Dragon is a fantastic road, but it does have its pros and cons. Here are 10 things you need to know before venturing out on Tail of the Dragon. Number 10. Location. Tail of the Dragon is located along the North Carolina-Tennessee border, snaking its way through the Smoky Mountains. Tail of the Dragon is surrounded by numerous small towns, but is over 1 hour from the nearest major population areas, such as Knoxville, and up to 2 hours away from Asheville, North Carolina area. This means that no matter what, you are likely traveling at least 1 to 2 hours just to come to this road. One of the benefits of the location, though, is that there are no homes or side roads along the route. This helps with feeling confident that nobody is going to pull out in front of you or that there are any kids playing in the road. Still, however, being that this road is out in the middle of nowhere, leads kind of into my next point of basic services. Number 9. Basic services. Since Tail of the Dragon is located 50 to 100 miles from major population areas, there is a higher chance you'll have a harder time finding lodging, food, and gas. Lodging is scarce, and chances are you'll be paying up to double the price for a room of half the quality. Food and gas are virtually non-existent within 20 or 30 miles from the Dragon, so be sure to fill up and bring snacks. That is even the worst of it all. If you happen to get hurt or your car breaks down while on the Dragon, you have all that distance to travel to your nearest services. Number 8. Weather. Being in the south, the weather along the Dragon can change drastically throughout the day. In the morning it can be icy, the afternoon hot, and by the evening it can be pouring down rain. The weather in the mountains can be somewhat unpredictable, so be sure to bring adequate supplies and that your vehicle of choice has the best tires for the job. Number 7. The Gap. Deals Gap is located on the North Carolina side of Tail of the Dragon. The Gap hosts 2 gas pumps, 2 shops, food, and a motel. 2 things to check out would be the Tree of Shame and the Dragon sculpture. The Tree of Shame is a tree with collection of automotive parts from the years of crashes. The Dragon sculpture is made out of motorcycle parts that bears the US 129 emblem. The Gap is a fantastic place to purchase stickers, because everybody knows stickers add horsepower, as well as chat up with fellow car enthusiasts. The Gap is great because it is one of the few places where people can interact with each other along the route. Number 6. Idiots in wrecks. Everybody has seen the videos of cars and motorcycles crashing along Tail of the Dragon. If you come here, you need to know your limits of yourself and your car. With the amount of people here, it is dangerous to test your limits on the road like this. It is not uncommon to see people passing in oncoming traffic, as well as aggravated driving. You do not want to be one of those people who crash and get injured, or worse, killed, along US 129. Always stay in your lane and let faster traffic pass to avoid any instances of dangerous and aggravated driving. Number 5. People. The people who come to Tail of the Dragon are mostly just like you and me. They want to get out and enjoy their vehicles of choice. The sense of community along Tail of the Dragon is very welcoming to people of all walks of life. So next time you're in the area, be sure to stop by the Gap or the Overlook and start up a conversation. There are also many photographers along the route who are very friendly and knowledgeable about the road, so be sure to spark up a conversation with people. Number 4. Police. Police presence along the Dragon has increased drastically over the years. This is especially true regarding the Tennessee side of Tail of the Dragon. Be mindful that the speed limit along the road is 30 miles per hour, down originally from 50 miles per hour. When the Dragon is busy, most cops are pulling over cars and bikes that cross the lines, but when it's wide open, they do monitor speed. A rule of thumb I've always followed is do a warm-up run to check for police. With all the blind corners, you'll never know where they'll be at. Number 3. Scenery. The Dragon, along with the roads in the area, have some of the best scenery you'll ever see. From the touristy areas of Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, south to the scenic Fontana Lake, you won't leave unimpressed. There are numerous trickling waterfalls, gracious mountaintops, and abundance of wildlife scattered throughout the area. There are plenty of parkways and back roads to absorb all that beauty, so do yourself a favor and get lost in nature while you're in the area. Number 2, traffic. By far the biggest enemy of any car enthusiast is traffic. With the popularity and tourism growing on and around the Dragon area, you're going to run into some traffic. The Dragon has become so popular that sometimes you can't even drive the 30-mile-per-hour speed limit. This is especially true on weekends. People come from all over the country to drive this road, and when they get there, sometimes Bobby is holding them up in his F-150. Slower traffic has numerous pullouts to pull over, but sometimes they do not use them. Anyone coming from far should definitely come on a weekday to really enjoy the Dragon to its fullest. Traffic is the number one downside of the Dragon itself. And finally, number 1, the road itself. The Dragon is an 11-mile road with 318 amazing curves. This is something that any automotive enthusiast with a love of corners will appreciate. The road is well maintained and features some insane curves, beautiful sights, and like-minded enthusiasts. Although this road has numerous cons, it is still a wonderful road. This road wouldn't have become as popular as it is without some of the talk being credible. Yes, there are some better roads that have less traffic, less cops, and a higher speed limit. But that isn't what this video is about. This video is about Tail of the Dragon itself and how no matter what cons it has, the positives definitely outweigh the negatives. So in conclusion, I guess I'm saying that if you find yourself on this road at the right time, you'll have the time of your life, and everything anyone has ever said negative about the road will be an afterthought. Many people will say that Tail of the Dragon is overrated, and to some extent it is. But those things don't matter. What matters is having fun doing it, and most people who drive it will tell you they had a blast. So that basically sums up my video. If you guys like this kind of informational topic, be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching my videos, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.